Rest is all outsider. Outside home, inside home.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Uh, you know, I'm asking you this question because a lot has been spoken about the fact that it's difficult to crack it. A lot has been spoken about nepotism. There's been so much of commentary. Uh, we've had leading stars talk about it openly. What's your view? Are we making too much about it? The nepotism bit, or is it truly a problem? And for Bollywood and other regional industries to become more professional and to attract the best talent in the country, this conversation needs to stay alive and kicking.
I think, technically speaking, first of all, as long as any conversation is done with the best of intention and grace and dignity,
Sure.
there is no harm in it. I think no matter whatever you want to say, but if you say it with grace, it's fine. It's all right. Everybody has a right to have their opinion. And it's a very valid conversation. That is why it's happening. And technically, you do not have control over who's going to be born in which household. You know, that's not in somebody's hands. So, to put it very simple, there is no competition between whether you're born in this, to somebody who already belongs to this industry, or you are from another city like mine, and so on and so forth, or which industry you're coming from and which background. The idea is, I think, of this conversation is to ensure that everybody can coexist and work. Everybody who's deserving is working. Everybody, anyone who's talented is getting an opportunity and is not held back. That's it. That is the meaning of, I think, this conversation, where we need to push and nurture talent. Now, whether that talent is coming from someone from the industry or someone from any part of the country or wherever, that needs to happen. So we need to make that atmosphere very conducive of these things. That's it. That's the only, everybody should feel comfortable working here. We do not have control. Yes, somebody who's from the industry will have always more opportunities, you know. But does that mean I'm going to keep breaking my head about it? No, that will not get me work. So what do I have to do? Or people who are at a position of power, or you know, who are, by power I mean people who, the filmmakers or producers or writers, that casting needs to happen. If you want somebody, to get casted regardless of the background. That's it. Now, that's the whole conversation. So everybody should be able to exist, rather than, again, making it a competition and demarcating, this is us, this is you. No, we need to grow as an industry. We need to grow as cinema. I think this is the reason why the term Bollywood sounds very, maybe negative, because I don't know. The whole idea is the cinema should grow. So for that to happen, we need to think over these things.
Sure.
You know, and it's only possible if we let talent nurture and make it a place where everybody can work without any fear, without any pressure, without feeling that, oh, you know, if I'm trying to, you know, take 4 steps, you know, I'm going to be held back. No. No one's going to be there to hold you back. If you have it in you, you have, you know, this place, first of all, it takes time. It takes time for anyone. Even if you have an opportunity ready for yourself, but it's not just going to happen. It's still not going to be easy. You'll have to still
Prove yourself.
Prove yourself. And today, more than ever today.
Sure.
You know, and so that's it. The idea is to make this place better. The idea is to make this place where everybody can work together.
Right, right. You know, not many actors open up about themselves in terms of, you know, their physical